Have you ever wondered which Mercedes-Benz models have truly stood the test of time and left a lasting legacy in the automotive world? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 8 best Mercedes cars of all time. These vehicles are not just machines, they are masterpieces that have defined luxury, performance, and engineering excellence over the years. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz 300 SD. Kicking off our list is the Mercedes-Benz 300 SD, a luxury sedan renowned for its robust construction and exceptional durability. Introduced in 1978, the 300 SD embodies the traditional elegance of Mercedes-Benz with its clean lines and prominent grille. Under the hood, it features a 3.0-liter inline-5 turbo diesel engine, delivering 115 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, provides ample torque for smooth and efficient cruising, making it ideal for long-distance journeys. Inside, the 300 SD offers a spacious and comfortable interior with high-quality materials such as leather upholstery, wood trim, and chrome accents. Today, you can find this classic beauty priced between $5,000 and $15,000. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz 190e. Mercedes-Benz 190e is affectionately known as the Baby Benz. Launched in 1982, the 190e is a compact luxury sedan celebrated for its solid build quality and advanced engineering. The 190e offers various engine options, ranging from inline-4 to inline-6, producing between 90 and 167 horsepower. Whether you choose a 4-speed automatic or a 5-speed manual transmission, the 190e promises a dynamic driving experience. With prices ranging from $8,000 to $15,000, the 190e remains a favorite among classic car enthusiasts. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz 280SL Pagoda. The Mercedes-Benz 280SL, popularly known as the Pagoda, is a symbol of timeless elegance and engineering prowess. Introduced in 1967, the 280SL features a distinctive concave hardtop reminiscent of a pagoda roof. Its 2.8-liter inline-6 engine, coupled with a 4-speed automatic transmission, delivers 170 horsepower and 180 lb-ft of torque. The 280SL's luxurious interior, with its high-quality materials and spacious 2-passenger seating, adds to its allure. Renowned for its reliability and ease of maintenance, the 280SL's price today ranges from $80,000 to $150,000, reflecting its status as a classic icon. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz AMG Hammer. A true legend of the 1980s, the Mercedes-Benz AMG Hammer is a performance sedan that redefined speed and power. Based on the W124 chassis and extensively modified by AMG, the Hammer boasts aggressive styling with wider wheel arches and a menacing stance. Its 5.6-liter V8 engine produces a staggering 360 horsepower and 390 lb-ft of torque, propelling the car from 0 to 60 mph in just around 5 seconds. Equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission, the AMG Hammer's price ranges from $50,000 to $100,000, making it a prized collector's item. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz 500e. Known as the wolf in sheep's clothing, the Mercedes-Benz 500e is a high-performance sports sedan developed in collaboration with Porsche. Introduced in 1991, the 500e features muscular lines and flared wheel arches, enhancing its aggressive look. Its 5.0-liter V8 engine delivers 322 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque, providing effortless acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. With prices between $50,000 and $100,000, the 500e is a rare and highly sought-after model among luxury car aficionados. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. One of the most iconic sports cars of all time, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, launched in 1954, is famed for its distinctive gullwing doors and sleek design. Powered by a 3.0-liter inline-6 engine producing 222 horsepower, the 300 SL was one of the fastest cars of its era. Its luxurious interior features, leather upholstery, and aluminum trim while the 4-speed manual transmission offers precise gear shifts. Today, the 300 SL Gullwing commands a price between $1 million and $1.5 million, reflecting its status as a symbol of luxury and performance. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR. The Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR is a rare supercar designed for homologation in the FIA GT Championship. Introduced in 1997, it features a lightweight carbon fiber body and a mid-mounted 6.9-liter V12 engine, producing 612 horsepower and 573 lb-ft of torque. With a top speed of 207 mph, the CLK GTR remains one of the fastest Mercedes models ever made. Its aerodynamic design and racing-inspired features make it a true masterpiece, with prices ranging from $1.5 million to $2.5 million. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. Rounding off our list is the Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren, a collaboration between Mercedes-Benz and McLaren. Launched in 2003, the SLR McLaren features a sleek design, a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, and distinctive butterfly doors. Its 5.4-liter supercharged V8 engine produces 617 horsepower and 580 lb-ft of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.6 seconds. With a top speed exceeding 200 mph, the SLR McLaren is a true supercar, priced between $250,000 and $400,000. And there you have it, the top 8 best Mercedes cars of all time. Each of these models has left an indelible mark on the automotive world, showcasing Mercedes-Benz's commitment to luxury, performance, and innovation. Well, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching.